Right lads, hello. Now, I've been basically taking these off. At the minute, I've just been going and taking the bars off. My brain's a bit of a mess. So this is not a how-to video. This is just me doing things. Now, I've basically been able to take the clusters off, the switch gear, and as Yamaha is standard, they use little pins in their location system. Massive pain in the ass. Now, thankfully, hopefully this might be a little bit easier of an install than the Super Duke, just because the I'd have to take the screen off and all that kind of shit. So now I'm not expecting to ride this now for a while, because obviously I've got to put these bars on and I've got to wait for a new lever to come in. So I've just ordered a new ASV lever, just cost me an arm and a fucking leg, but again, it's just one of them things. And then we're going to do a straight swap just like we did with the KTM. Let's just clean these off a sec. Don't know why I've decided to do it like this. My brain really ain't working today. I really do hope that ain't rain. Basically what I'm doing now is just trying to save this grip. Just in case I need to reuse it again at some point. Here we go. I think I'm going to have to cut this one just because of the... Oh no, I might be able to save that one as well. I've made the executive decision because I have got these. It's taking too much time, so I'm just going to cut them. So I'm just going to cut that off, and we can always get another one if we need to. I hate these things. Alright. Fuck me. Oh, Jesus Christ. Come on, come on. Here we go. Come on, yes, there we go. Thank you. Right, I do not recommend this at home. However, I don't have a drill bit big enough to get to this, so I'm going to have to basically scoop this out, which I did on the other side, and it's absolutely fine. I have done this before in Yamaha bikes. Just going to get some sandpaper and just clear that out. There we go, and then squeeze that tight and make sure that... Don't force it, because these are plastic threads and metal screws, so you don't want to fuck anything up. That's another thing as well. Side to side movement, you want to make sure that these aren't hitting anything on full lock. So I think I'm going to have to move the bars up a little bit. Now I've got some grip glue. This is rubber solution. It's just, yeah, one of them. I'm just going to check if this is going to go on first. Yes, it is. And again, the key for this is quick. And then just whack underneath like that. That'll do. It acts as a little bit of a lubricant. So, there you go. You can see it bunching up on the sides there. Like that. It's already starting to harden. I don't like this. Heat would be your friend here. It's going, but right, I think that's as much as we're going to be able to do. Straighten up that Domino logo. That's us done. I don't think that's coming off anytime soon, do you? And we've still got a bit poking out on the bottom there. Geez, that took a lot. Okay, so that's working. We've got enough off the end there so there's not going to be any binding when I put the bar end on. I'm just going to twist that back because that's killing me OCD. Right, it's now a very nice and sunny day. It is the day after, and we're just going to install this grip. Again, I'm just going to put the glue on this side and then just twist it on. I'm going to move this out of the way though so I can get a good grip. Right, let's see if we can do this without cocking it up before it starts to dry again like last time. mean, you could use hairspray, but I don't have any, so. This glue has a tendency to stick quite quickly. Good grip workout anyway, Christ. It is going, it's just going quite slowly. At least I know they ain't coming off. Probably could have done without the glue, to be honest with you. I don't think they're coming off anytime soon. Fuck me. Nearly. Look at that. Jesus Christ. Nearly there. So close now. There we go. Fuck me. Come on, one last push. Come on, you fucker. Fuck me. Right. Right, so we've now got the bar sticking. Oh my god, look at that. We've now got the bar sticking out of there, the bar end. So hopefully the bar end will be nice and flush once I put it in. It is a 17mm. The right hand side one is counter thread. So you have to go right to undo it. And then this guy obviously is going to be the other way, so it's normal. So left to undo. Boom, there we go. And then we've got some mirror blanking plugs here, which are a 4mm. For some reason it just rained for like 2 seconds and then stopped. So what I am going to do is I'm going to do the left one first, because the reservoir for the brake fluid is on the right, and I don't want to be dicking about trying to figure out which one is the left hand side thread and which one isn't. Okay, lots of aluminium has just come out of there. Anyway, let's just see if this one's going to go in, which it is. We're just going to nip that up a little bit, because these are because they're made of aluminium, they can chew up quite easily. So again, we're just going to hold that reservoir. And I'm not being funny, just taking off the mirrors a lot of the time just cleans it up so much. And this one should be counter thread. And whilst this is off, I'm just going to manoeuvre this into position. And again, I'm just nipping that up a little bit. I'm not going too crazy because it is aluminium. Look how clean that looks now. Obviously without the broken fucking, without the broken lever, but that looks so cool. Sweet. I mean, oh, yeah boys, that looks fucking sick. Now I'm just going to whack the bar and mirrors on, and we are done. Right, so we've got the mirrors. I mean, look how clean that is. I need to take a picture of that before I do anything. Right, so we've got the mirrors. And I'm just going to just whack them in here for now. I know which way around I like them. Completely adjustable. I'm going to move on to something different at some point, but for now this is all I have, so this will have to do. Now we sit on the thing. And that one is almost pretty much perfect. This one is way out. So could do with coming down a little bit, I think. But yeah, that's it. We've got to do some mess with these now, and we're done. Look at that, look how cool, look how sleek. It feels comfortable. We'll go out for a ride and we'll see how it goes. With these scratches and stuff, I'm just gonna do them up with some Sharpie or something. But there we go, boys. Look at the grips. It looks so good now. So good. Look at that, boys. Hey. Cream. It was definitely worth it. We'll go out and give it a ride. And yeah, until the next time, boys and girls, thank you so much for watching. See you very, very soon, I'm sure. And until the next time, sort them out. I said that wrong, but fuck it. Sort them out. See you in a bit.